Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information for Monday, November 23rd, and Tuesday, November 24th. A reminder that those are the only 2 school days of this week, Monday and Tuesday, because we will have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday off of this upcoming week due to Thanksgiving break. We're going to utilize these 2 days as makeup and recovery days for students in social studies. So it's pretty simple when students click into the folders for the day. So focusing on Monday first, I've opened up this week's folder. It is yellow and it is called Q2 Week 4. Has the dates, the 23rd through the 27th, makeup and recovery days. When students open up Monday's folder, there they will find 2 things. Number 1, the Mesopotamia Recovery Assignment text and the Mesopotamia Recovery Assignment questions. So when students open up the text and they open up their own document, it will look like this. And for each question of the text, students will underline or highlight their answers to the questions in the margin as you read each paragraph. So the first question, why did civilizations develop in Mesopotamia and the Fertile Crescent? Students will highlight or underline the answers. You don't have to do any sort of typing, any type of copying and pasting, just highlight or underline the answers. So I'm not saying that this is the correct answer. As a matter of fact, this is the wrong answer, but if students believe that this is the right answer, you will highlight by clicking on the highlight button, or you can underline by clicking Control U or the U button. Totally up to you as a student what you want to do there. Just highlight and or underline the answers for each question. And there's quite a few questions there. So this is a bonus activity. These recovery assignments are bonus. So students do not have to do them. They can only improve your grade, not hurt your grade. So this text is part 1. If students would like to complete a recovery activity, there's about 2.5 pages worth of questions with readings, and they will highlight and or underline their answers. And then the second thing, if students want to complete a bonus activity, they will go back into Monday's folder, and they will click on the recovery questions. So click on this as a preview. Students can use up to 2 attempts on this. And there are some matching questions. There is some fill in the blanks, some multiple choice. So there's a bunch of questions, and those questions come from the reading. So I will give bonus points for not only completing the reading, but also any questions that students get on the recovery questions as well. So there's plenty of opportunity towards bonus points. On Monday, there will be no live Google Meets for social studies. So students should focus on completing any makeup work plus this bonus and recovery activity. Now on Tuesday, we will meet for social studies, but it will be a very short meeting, and the meeting will just be kind of doing the same thing as we did Monday. So I will tell students to go check their grades in social studies and Schoology using the grade report tab. They can finish any missing work from last week, including the CAR assignment for Hammurabi's Code, the 3-part assignment, and from the beginning of the quarter. So anything that they have missings or that they have zeros for, students can complete those assignments for credit. I also will have them consider completing the recovery assignments, once again, from Monday's folder. Those are extra credit. Students do not have to do that. So if students are satisfied with their current grades as of today, and they do not have any makeup work, nor want to complete the recovery activity, then this will be a very easy week for them. Those of us that have some work to do still, that have some makeup work or want to complete the recovery activity, this will provide us the time and the opportunity to do that. So just a reminder, and I will send an email out about this as well, there is no live Google Meet on Monday. On Tuesday, we will do live Google Meets, but they will be fairly short. Students can ask any questions about the bonus recovery activity, and students can ask any questions about makeup work, and I can direct them in the correct places for that. So we'll meet Tuesday, and then I hope everybody has a fantastic Thanksgiving break that they can unplug from school for a little bit and enjoy some time with their family. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I will talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.